What is up, everyone? This is Too Slow. Aussie, say hi. Aussie. Paw. Good girl. But anyways, I already fixed the tsunami rear bumper. If you guys did not see on my Instagram stories, this took a really good while because both of these were completely missing on both sides. And now I have to drill out the holes, but I'm gonna put the bumper back in the car and I'm just gonna trace out the holes to get a perfect fit. And same with these, I had to do this and I had to do this one. And it was just a time-consuming job. Same right here, all this was mangled up, but the problem with that, you can't really, I didn't want to paint this, but I think I'm gonna have to paint it with trim paint. It does exist. It's at Walmart, I believe. It's like a black matte for trim pieces, like you would want this to be, because this is already doled out from just being out in the sun, just sitting and just losing its color, I guess. But the tsunami rear did not have much damage. Here, I'll flip it over for you guys so you guys can see. But a bunch of the tabs were broken. Right here, right here, right here. This one, this one, this one. A lot of them were broken. So what I had to do was I had to plastic weld them together so that the bottom piece wouldn't fly off and I'd lose it. But those were repaired. That was repaired also because the guy's exhaust was hitting it and it melted away. But here you get a better look at how I fixed it. These are solid. They're not weak. They're actually solid welds. But that's fixed. Set this back on its front like that. But the main reason I want to put this on the car is because all these scratches, I don't want to sand it like this with the bumper off the car because I fear I'm going to be flexing it way too much. And I feel like if I have it on the car, it will have rigidity and strength so that I can sand it, because there's a bunch of scratches right here. Like, these are deep ones. I have to go in there and scratch them and fill them up with some Bondo Flex. And just gonna go ahead and install it. As you guys can see, I already installed the tsunami spoiler on the Celica. But we're gonna go ahead and install this right now. And oh, let me show you guys something. Sorry if I'm sniffling a lot, but catching allergies and it's early in the morning. But check this out. These are real Anki RPF ones. I hope they are. I got these from a good friend, Hector, 2ZZ. I'll put his Instagram in the front. Huge shout outs to him. They do have these cheap Ironman tires, which I always bash on at work, so I low-key don't want to throw them on right now with these tires, but I mean, I'm gonna have to just live with it from the crap I'm gonna get at work, because I just make so much crap about these tires at work. Oh geez. But they're gonna be going on that Celica for sure. So let's go ahead and start the video. So after half an hour, it's finally back on. You can see on this side that the bumper is flexing inwards. So I'm gonna have to grab my heat gun, and most likely this is what's causing this to happen. So I'm gonna push this in. You see this right here? I'm gonna push it in so that this can come back out. And you can kind of see it. So if we go over here, this looks better. It's hard to tell, but it is better. But it's on there. It's pretty good. The only reason I put the bumper on is because I'm gonna work on it right here, because I feel like it's a more solid work area than having it just flop around on a workbench or on a work seesaw. What do they call them? I don't know what they're called. I'll put a picture right here of what I'm talking about, but basically it's a lot better looking. And you can see the cutout, it's still a little crooked. You can see how very crooked it is because this needs to come back out more. You can kind of see what I'm talking about here. It's really messed up, so I have to come back here with a heat gun and just shape everything back to its normal self, because this just looks bad. Most likely it is this right here that's causing this whole thing to kind of flex in, but that's gonna be for another episode. I just got home. I already removed the OEM side skirt. It's just held on by a bunch of clips at the bottom, and the side ones will pop out. It's these right here. These are the side ones. These are easy to pop out, but the bottom ones, you need like a flat head to pry them out. But we're gonna need to use these for the tsunami side skirts, so hold on to your hardware. And here's that fender. Lines up really well. Just gotta fix this right here. It is a bit dented up from when they put the car on the spare tires or the spare rims, whatever you want to call it, when they put it off the ground. So gonna go ahead and fix this up a bit, unbend it, and install the fender. It's a really good pickup. The clear coat's still actually really nice on it. Just needs a little buff and it'll look a lot shiny. And with that, we still have to convert these back to the regular non-HID. So I'm gonna do that today as well. I'm gonna try and pull the harness for my friend Equinox Edgar. I'm gonna try and pull off the leveler harness and see if I could easily get it off. If not, then we'll figure it out. I have a bunch of these clips that I bought from eBay, and hopefully they work. Let's actually see if they work. Here, like right here. And what you do is you mount it up to the hole and pray that it fits. And oh, it fits. Nice. Yeah, so we just go around the whole wheel well. Let's see if I could do this with one hand. Jeez, I should have probably cleaned the fender before I put these back on. Cool, they work. Awesome.